Hi everybody, I'm Corey from RecPro, and today we're going to talk about our RecPro RV telescoping ladders. We offer ladders in sizes of 10.5 foot, 12.5 foot, and 14.5 foot, with the 12.5 and 14.5 versions compatible with Lipper on-the-go ladder receivers. Our telescoping ladders are made with aluminum, so they're very lightweight while staying very strong. Generally weighing between 18 and 28 pounds depending on the size of the ladder you choose. This lightweight material makes it easy to maneuver the ladder and set it up when you need to, and also makes it easy to carry around when you go to store it. Being made of aluminum, it also means that it's not going to rust or corrode on you, so you don't have to worry about your trusty ladder breaking down while you're climbing up it. It has easy to extend steps that lock into place, so you don't have to worry about it collapsing or folding when you're trying to climb up or down it. The aluminum material and the locking steps also make the ladder very strong and very sturdy, giving it a maximum weight capacity of up to 330 pounds. As I said, it's good and stable, and making it even more stable is the rubber feet, which helps prevent the ladder from sliding around as you position it or climb up and down, while the treads on these steps help prevent you from slipping or sliding as you move around and go about your business. It's also very easy to collapse once you're done using it, just by pushing in on the little push latches here, and the weight of the ladder will just collapse itself. Speaking of collapsing, it collapses down to a very small size, so it's very compact and very easy to store away when you don't need it. It also features a built-in strap and carry handle to make it easy to carry around when you're moving it to and from storage, so you don't have to lug around a full-size ladder on the back of your RV or wherever. You can collapse it down to about that big and toss it into a compartment. If you like what you see and want to know more about this product, click the link in the description below. If you want to see more of what RecPro has to offer in the future, like this video and remember to slap that subscribe button. And remember, when you're climbing around on your RV, climb with RecPro.